Hi guys, this is Dr. Pratyusha from Pratvam Progs, and this video is in association with Bedopedia for their Afflatus Sunday. We will be recycling tin cans to make some wearable jewelry. We're going to be making 3 types of earrings, and this is a simple project which even kids can follow. So let's get started. For this project, you will require to cut out a tin or a soda can to get a tin sheet like this, and also collect the pull tabs from the top of the tin cans. Now, moving on to the preparation of the bases, for 2 of the earrings, we will be using punches to punch out the shape desired. So here I'm using a flower and a butterfly punch. Alternatively, you can cut out the shapes that you want using scissors as well. Now let's go ahead and punch 2 flowers and 2 butterflies. The next step is to create holes using a hole puncher in both the flower and the butterfly so that we can add our beads and our findings in the final stage. Now for the flower, we will be punching 1 hole on the top and 2 holes at the bottom. Thus there will be 3 holes. For the butterfly, we will be punching 2 holes, one on the top and one at the bottom at the opposite sides. To remove any sharp edges that have been caused, use a sandpaper and sand the edges for a smoother finish. Repeat it on all the pieces. Now to prepare the pull tabs, bend off any edges that are sticking out after pulling them out of the tin can or the soda can. Now begins the fun part of adding beads and findings to our bases that we just prepared. We will be working on the pull tab earrings first. To make the hanging bead from the bottom, take a head pin of sufficient length, add 2 mm silver ball, then add a brown bead and again add a 2 mm silver ball bead. Cut off the rest of the head pin that's not required and make a loop using a round nose plier. Make 2 of these. Take 3 of the pull tabs, arrange it together. Now take 4 mm gold jump rings and add 4 of them on top and 4 of them at the bottom. Now on top add a earring hook. On the bottom add the beads that we just prepared. Repeat the procedure for the second pair and you have yourself a recycled pair of pull tab earrings. Now moving on to the flower and butterfly tin can earrings. Prepare the beads as shown before in the video, but this time using red beads. For each of these flowers, you will require 2 of these beads to be prepared. So total of 4 beads need to be prepared. Once all the beads are prepared, you need to open the top loop that you have created of the head pin and slide it into the hole in the bottom of the flower. So for each of the flower, you will have 2 of these beads that need to be slid. On the top hole, add the hook. Now repeat this entire process for the other flower as well to make a pair. For the butterfly earrings, follow the same procedure. You need to prepare 2 red beads, one for each butterfly. Once prepared, open the loop of the head pin and attach them to the lower hole of the butterfly. For the upper hole, add the hooks. Repeat the procedure for the other butterfly as well to make a pair. Wasn't that really simple to follow? I hope you follow this tutorial and make something of your own. If you do share it with us. Would love to see them. Now showing you the close-up of all the earrings that we made. Thank you for watching. In case of any queries, feel free to reach me out on Facebook or Instagram, and I will make sure that I do answer these queries. See you next time with another video. Bye.